All right, so this video basically covers paragraph comprehension, okay, which is one of the four sections that makes up your score for the ASVAB. So it is important, even though what we're going to have here in the video is fairly brief, right? So the four sections that make up paragraph comprehension are those right there. So that's paragraph comprehension. So general, specific, reasoning, and terminology. And so all of these, it's exactly what paragraph comprehension sounds like. Like you'll get a passage, a paragraph, and then there will be a question or a few questions about the paragraph. And so the only thing that I really want you to be able to take away on this video is when you see a paragraph, read the question first. Or if there's more than one, read all of them, right? So you want to know what you're looking for, and then preferably we just go back to the first question you have to answer, right? So are you being asked, these are what they usually almost all are. Main idea, okay? Point of view, tone, okay? So it's really key that we need to know what is it that I should be looking for in this paragraph, right? So a lot of times you don't even have to read the whole paragraph, right? A lot of times it'll be pretty clear what the point of view is, within a couple of sentences, or what the main idea is. I might even tell you in the very first sentence what the main idea is. And so once you have that, then you can go back and start to answer that question. So if you don't do that, then what usually happens is you read the paragraph, then you read the question, then you say, I don't know, and then you have to go back and do it again. So it's basically like reading it the first time was just a waste of time. And a big part of standardized tests is if you can answer more quickly, is you get more time for the stuff that you actually struggle with. So this is a big way to save time and help you get a better score on the test.